Today I'm going to show you how to save an attachment from an email into your Google Drive. So I'm going to open up an email, and down here at the bottom I have some attachments, okay? And if I hover over the attachment, you can see a couple different options. You can see the down arrow, which is the download option, or you can see the Google Drive sign, which is your save to drive option. So I'm going to pick this picture of our famous lizard mascot, and I'm just going to left click on it, and it's going to say it's saving to my drive, and it says added to my drive. And right next to it, it says organize. So if I want to put it in a specific spot, I can click on organize, and I'm going to see my drive pop up. So these are all the folders in my drive. And if I want to put it in one specific folder, I can, there's the folder CDFMS, I'm going to put it there. So I'm going to click in the arrow. So now I'm in my CDFMS folder, and I want to move it there. So now I'm going to click move here. If I wanted to pick another folder and keep going, I could, but I want it in my CDFMS folder. So I'm going to click move here. And you can see I got this nice little message up at the top that says that picture has been moved to my folder CDFMS. This is how you save attachments in your email to your Google Drive.